So hi there. I wanted to jump on quickly and let you know that I've just released another podcast episode, and this one is quite fun actually. It's one of my brain design episodes. So understanding how our brain is actually structured can help us work with our brain like a powerful computer. And this time I'm looking at something called the RAS, which sits in our brain stem right up here. So right in our original brain, and it's called the reticular activating system. And it's a fascinating little web of neurons and nerve cells that does all kinds of things for us in midlife, things like wakefulness and neurotransmitter production. But its best function, and the one I'm talking about on the podcast today, is it's filtering. So it's like our very own Google search engine, our very own Facebook algorithm. And how does that help us? And how does that hinder us in the changes we want to make in our life in midlife, especially with coaching? Because coaching is all about change. So, how do we learn to coach ourselves using the RAS to support us so that it's working for us instead of against us? So I hope you join me on the podcast. And I'd love to hear your thoughts about all about the RAS, all about how it works with the law of attraction and lots of things. So let me know. And I might even plan a live for next week to talk more about your questions and see if you've got any more comments. So bye for now and take care and enjoy.